All right, guys. So sorry for starting late. Some persons might have slept. Okay, we're supposed to have up to like 100 plus people. Okay, but some person might have slept. I'm starting late. Okay, due to the fact I had a date with you guys and I have to fulfill it. Okay, so that is why I didn't cancel the live. But even if it's just two persons that are connected, fine, no problem. We'll have our life, and when we start posting our screenshots of wonderful testimonies, um, you'll be wishing that you were here. I just hope that's not your own case in this new week. Because trust me, I'm going to be posting a lot of testimonies this week from students, a whole lot of testimonies from different people. All right. So whether you're a newbie trader or you're an advanced trader, the YouTube life is for you. Like I said earlier, if you're new to trading um, and you're joining the life, so joining the life actually, then and whatever thing that we're doing is looking strange in your eye, don't worry about that. Just relax, relax. You catch up. I always say that because I know that we most of the lives that we get to have, we usually have new people coming in and they tend to type, "I don't understand." So when you ask them, "What don't, are you a new bid?" or say yes. So don't worry about that. Just relax. You don't need to say you don't understand. You are going to catch up, but ensure that you're part of what we do in the academy. All right. So I'm not actually dropping any trading tips today. If you need any trading tips, you can go to our past lives. You can go to our YouTube channel, go and watch our past lives. At the first segment, most of the time I give trading tips. Okay. So, but today I'll just go straight to the charts, and trust me, I'm going to try as much as possible to break it down because I'm very, very exhausted. I'm very, very exhausted. Trust me, very, very exhausted. That's why you can see my face is somehow. All right. Emmanuel said people once spoil my mentor fine boy face. I know that this one small boy we just come out this morning, just small like this. I don't know where it come from. Then and again, don't. It's not my face. You are supposed to trade. You are supposed to trade your account and listen to what I'm saying. All right. So it's not my face. I'm supposed to trade. Just pay undivided attention so we can look into the market. All right. So this week we actually traded USD CHF as well as in GPP JPY. Right. So those two pairs give me amazing money this week, in which I used to get my Mac. Some of you must have seen it. I used to get my MacBook. Then I actually upgraded a TV console. If you don't know what TV console is, where TV used to stay, like chef. So I upgraded it. So I just added one or two things to it. So you guys have been following up already know what is there, but I updated one or two things due to the profit made. All right, and some couple of things that I don't want to mention. I use the profit to do. So this week I'm going to upgrade some certain things. I'm going to make some money this week, and I want you to make some money as well for yourself, so you can update some things in your life. Probably you change your wardrobe, you know, get some good clothes, get some good phones, good set. There's always something to do with money, always, and always it has to be your trading profits. And remember that I said something very important. One of the trading trainings we had in 10 trade, I said that one thing is to make profit and one thing is to grow with the profit. All right. So growing with the profit is very important as an investor. You gotta be an investor, a forex trader, investor. You don't spend all your profit or spend your capital. So whenever you make profit, the least you can withdraw should be just 50%, so that the rest can add up to your capital. All right, because you understand how this trading is. The more capital you have, the more opportunity you get to make more money in the market. Imagine somebody coming into the market with $50,000 and somebody coming with a $1,000, and they are learning the same thing. They're learning the same thing and they graduated at the same time. When they start trading and they have good results, do you know that that guy with $50,000 will grow faster than the $1,000 guy? Yes, because of the kind of size of account he has. So I'm communicating this to you so that whatever category that you are, always remember to grow your equity. Always remember. Don't just when you make profit, you sweep everything. You chop am. You will not grow. At least you withdraw 50% and do whatever I want to do. The remaining 50% you keep adding up to your capital. Remember what I always say. Whenever those of you that are trading proper accounts, this guy Samuel 18 made a withdrawal of over $700. Wow, that's super amazing from 10 trade prop firm account. That's wonderful, mind blowing. That's a big one for him, guys. Big one. That's super amazing. Do you know how much he has made? He made over 890,000 naira, close to 900K. And how much did he get his account? Not up to $100. Like 100K. And how much is making? 900K. Can you imagine that? That's super amazing. That is the opportunity I give to you guys. Go out there, bring out amazing stuff for you guys to make money from. All right. So the platform account is there, then trade, very flexible for every categories of person. One of which you have the $1,000 instant foreign account. And those of you that may have capital, you can as well skip evaluation and go straight into the funded account. I mean, those of you that have money, instead of trying to pass evaluation, you can just go straight and start making money. Whatever profit you make first, you get 70%, you get 30. So you understand? That is the way it is. So please don't sleep. This year we're creating more millionaires. And Samuel 18 is almost becoming a millionaire. So it's just 100K to 1 million. And once he hits that milestone, millions will be coming in. So on. Millions. Someone says certain trade spread is too much. It depends on when you are trading and the pair you are trading. So those two things are very important. When you are trading and the pair you are trading. Okay, you don't just trade anyhow. You understand? Okay. So everybody that's been listening to me, Junior Mbappe, Chudube Mali, these are my old folks. I know you guys from day one. You guys are super amazing. They have new faces right here, so don't worry, you're welcome to the family of where we make money. If you have not, maybe you've been long and you have not made profitable withdrawals from the market, one thing you should be focusing on is your errors that you're making. What is the problem? Okay, focus on that. But please and please, I always say something very important that um, at the beginning of your trading, when you start trading, okay, you don't make mistake. You try as much as possible not to skip every information I give to you. One of the things I used to test some persons that come to me for private lesson, I just send them um, notes and live recorded session for the fundamental basics. I use it to test them and drop classwork. Before you know it, some of them will tell you, I'm done. Really, you are done. So where's the classwork? Say I don't see am. Say I don't see am. The last thing I sent, you not see it. So that's first level of seriousness. If you they said charity begins at home. Okay, charity begins at home. Yeah. If the way you lay your bed, that's the way you lie on it. So if you start doing that from the beginning of your forest journey, skipping some important things, what happens? You the what's that thing called? You not making profit will be waiting for you at the front. You not making profit will be waiting for you at the front. So please and please, whatever level that you are, please don't take everything serious. Don't joke with anything. And I said, if I teach you dot, read the dot. If I teach you question mark, read the question mark. It's as important as that, okay? So, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to teach you question mark or full stop. No, that's what I'm talking about, okay? So, I'm just trying to let you know that you should pay details, pay attention to details. Because you are the one that will enjoy last. Everyone that will enjoy last now. You enjoy it. Because when you start making money for yourself, you be enjoying now. Your profit doesn't affect my profit. My profit doesn't affect your profit. So I'm just giving you guys value so that you can have more successful people across Africa. So, all right. So we have diverse categories of persons right here. We have the category, as I always say, possibly we have billionaires streaming in this call. We don't know who is who right here. Then we have short for me, millionaires. We have millionaires, different people that are millionaires. And we have thousandaires. All right. So, but for the thousandaire people, I want you to aspire to be um, expect you to aspire to be in the millionaire level. So whichever category that you are, forex trading is for you. Okay, it's going to make you more money. It's the number one market in the world. Okay, make us say emotion won't kill you. Emotion won't kill you. You need to find the solution to your problem by learning to learn. Someone said, "What session should I trade to avoid too much trade?" I don't understand. To avoid too much trade or avoid too much spread. Which one are you talking about? All right, guys. So let's go straight to the chapter. So I was not going to waste so much time. I'm timing from now to 8:30. We'll be done. So as I said, GBP we made a good profit from it. Okay, a good profit from GBP and USD CHF. All right. So looking at, I saw one Swiss market. We are not done with GBP and CHF. I'm coming. We're not done with that. But I want us to look into a market today. And as our normal tradition, I'll pick from you guys suggestions too. The markets that we are going to look at. All right. So the advantage of streaming live with you guys helps you guys to see the way I trade and makes you get better at your trading. Okay. So that's one of the advantages. All right. So I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing my screen like this. So if you are using free mode or something or whatever quality of YouTube you are using, please and please remove from it now. Apply quality to your trade. Quality to your trade so that the chart will be very clear for you guys. Okay. So you don't have issues. And if you are streaming with phone, please make your phone to be in a landscape mode so you can see clearly what is going on my screen. Okay. But if you are using a system, there's no need bending your system. You know, some persons can be funny. Ensure your phone is in a landscape mode like this so you can see clearly. So the live stream can take your entire screen. All right. So let's go. So welcome everybody from different parts of the world. About I think like I'll check my back office. I think there's up to like 10 countries, different persons connected to this call. Different time zones. Everybody that is in night. Some persons can be in the morning, on the afternoon. Different people that are here, all right? And that's a very good one that you're following up. Nigerians, you are this Sunday night. So obviously, many of us are not working Sunday nights till Monday. All right. So like I said to you guys, Mondays are the days that people rush to work, right? But as a trader like me, Monday is my resting day. Nobody to do with that. Monday is my resting day. I used to sleep very well. Okay. So that's what trading can offer to you. You have financial freedom, all right? You can do whatever you want to do anytime, any day. You can travel around the world. Um, use money to do a lot of things, all right? So I'm not here where I used to be right now. What's going on here? I'm not where I used to be right now. So, but I aspired to be where I am today, and I'm aspiring to be greater. All right. So there's a place I actually want to be. I'm pushing forward to that. And I said to a lot of you guys, most especially my student, that until I start making my first $1 million in a month, I will not rest. All my life is built on forex. All right. So I am not resting until I start making my first $1 million. It shock you? There are a couple of mentors that I have that make $1 million, something less than $1 million in a week. I've told you guys this. Nothing less than $1 million in a week. All right. And you don't even know them because they're not public figures. You don't know them. There are people making money silently from forex. And you may see them, call them money launderers or Yahoo or something. They don't look you. I don't say 1 million naira. I say $1 million, nothing less than $1 million. So I don't know what your dreams and aspirations are. Probably you're in your millions already. You can aspire to be a billionaire in Naira. So you gotta put in the work and be in the side of God did and not the side of what God went. Aspire to be there, put in the consistency, the focus, the dedication, and the discipline. Because whatever trading plan you have created, whatever thing you've set in for yourself, you gotta be disciplined and work towards that direction. Okay? Because when you are not disciplined to your goals, you will never get there. Year to year, you are doing the same thing. You will never get there. Okay? So please, as you set goals, as you set trading plan, apply discipline to it. If you feel like your work is giving you too much, is not allowing you to learn forex or trade, that's a very big excuse. Not very big, a very yeah excuse. Yeah, because everybody has 24 hours in a day. As long as you sleep, you have time. Think about it. As long as you sleep in the night, you have time. If you feel like your entire day Huh? Is taking it like the entire day is work day. Okay, as long as you sleep every day, you have time. I've said this before that you can take your, if you are sleeping 5 hours in the night or 7 hours, you take about you take about 2 hours or 1 hour of your time and invest in forex. I mean, invest your time in forex or invest whatever thing you want to do. Engage yourself, equip yourself with massive knowledge. The throne said, "I'm meeting this man for the first time." Wow, good to have you. Ah, Oye ma dey here. Oh, see the guy that bought a car. The guy will say, "You nine day here, Oye ma Peter, 3.5 million naira car that year." And how much is that car now? That car is close to 9 to 10 million naira now. All right, so he's here. And I told you guys, founding fathers. Now they don't take, but they still attend life class. That shows um, seriousness and dedication. They are making money, yeah, but it shows loyalty, it shows discipline, it shows that they understand that no man is an island of knowledge. Am I still learning from somebody? Yes, of course. In as much I'm mentor to you guys, I'm learning from somebody too. And I said to you, I have mentors that are earning 1 million, $1 million plus in a week. Yeah, so that is how it works. So money no dey reach person normal. Yema said his goal is $1 million. That's beautiful. That's a cool one. All right. So what about students and they want to trade New York session? New York session is usually traded in the afternoon. London session is usually in the morning. Asian is usually in the night. And when two sessions meet, the one that meets the most is London session and New York session. They meet in the afternoon. And when there is two sections like that, you have high volatility in the market. All right. Ikechukwu say even if say I no dey chat, I must attend your class. Beautiful. Thank you, Ikechukwu. Right, so that's a big one. Shegu Johnson. Abi Ikechukwu Obindima. Which kind pair do you write like this? SURGPY. For where? Now you create that one. Mona scroll up, you go see Ikechukwu this thing. SURGPY. Which kind pair be that? Now you create that one. Ha! No go scatter our brain. Oh. All right. So the first pair we're looking into is CADJPY. It has a good setup. So we'll go into that quickly. All right. So you guys understand the strategy I use. I don't hide it, which is a top-down analysis. And you keep getting better at your top-down analysis when you watch me do my top-down analysis. It improves you and makes you to get better what in trading the financial market. All right. So just give me a sec. I'm coming, guys. Okay, just a sec, guys. I'm coming. Okay, so let's go. All right. So based on top down analysis, what do we simply do? We go to the higher time frame and get into the lower time frame. So we identify the trend of the market, and one of the places we go to is the one time frame, and in some cases you can get into the H4, sorry, 1 month rather, 1 month time frame or 1 week, but on rare occasions anyway. But as time goes on, you get to know when to enter into those places. But basically, we use day one to understand the trend of the markets using top-down analysis, which is one of the best strategies in the world, because we're dealing with direct, pure price action, understanding the naked chart of the market. All right. So currently, I am on my 1 day, which is JCADJPY. That's Canadian dollar slash Japanese yen. There's an issue going on that I actually need to address. All right. Okay, let's go. So we have based on what we can see on day one, right here. So what we are seeing right here is that CADJPY from a downtrend went into an uptrend since 2023. So CADJPY has been buying for over 1 year. Over 1 year. All right, so it has gotten to is look at where it's currently at, and the trend is not yet over. It's still in an uptrend. The only way you're going to have an invalid trend is when you have something break out like this. Let me show you. So this is what we have. When we have market break this trend line, all right, and take out this level, this particular previous higher low, the markets tend to start falling. But those of you that already understand head and shoulder pattern, you know that this uptrend began from this head and shoulder, this major head and shoulder right here. This major head and shoulder right here. All right. So that is when the market picked up from a downtrend. It broke, and this W that I can see right here gave it, a trend, an uptrend like this. Okay. So we're still on the uptrend. So we go down to the lower time frame and see what you can plot. But before we do that, we have plotted our first trend line. Let's plot the second one. All right. So we have this. Okay, so we go down to 4 hours time frame and see what you can plot and what the market is doing. Hold on. All right, so back to the charts. So then we have the 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. So we see what we can plot is up. All right, we have a level here. Okay, so as a price action trader, what you do is you see where you can plot your trend lines correctly. If you don't know how to do that, there's a class on how to do that. All right. Lest I forget, those of you that want to engage in the synthetic class, you have an opportunity right now to be part of the synthetic class. Don't miss it because I may not have another time to do that. Okay, so don't miss it. You can book your slot. I just have only 20 people. I don't want crowd. So if you miss the 20 people, the 20 slot that we have, and you want to pay, you will pay a lot of money for that synthetic class. So, but for the first 20, if I were you, I'll start booking my slot ASAP. All right. So on the 4 hours time frame, the 4 hours time frame has its own trend line, and this is it right here. This is the trend line. So we map this out, and also don't forget that this where my mouse is currently at, this trend line is from a day one time frame up here, and this one down here is from a day one time frame. Okay, so see market going up and down is an opportunity to make a lot of money from the market, because you understand that when you're able to understand the market going in an uptrend, so what you get to do is you look for opportunities to buy the market. Okay, I'm just in a conversation. I mean to say, as a university student who likes to trade in your section, I always having a lot or having. I don't understand what you're. How will such person manage and discipline? I don't understand that the question, Charles Harrison. Maybe you could type well again. Okay, so we zoom. Now, if you look clearly, if you are seeing like what I'm seeing currently, you will see something like this. This is it. This. Now, I'm going to ask a question. What does this represent? I'm asking everybody now. What I just did now, what does it represent? Use the chat section. What does it represent? What I just, the circle I drew on those three places. What does it represent? Thank you, Waji Emeka. I said head and shoulder. Beautiful. That is a head and shoulder on a higher time frame. All right. So, like I've taught you people that head and shoulder does not always appear like head and shoulder. I showed you different types of head and shoulder, about three of them. Those of you that are in the academy, I showed you about three of this. Um, of this head and shoulders. Okay. So on the 4 hours time frame, this is what we have. Then we have a support zone right here that was broken from here and closed in this indecision candlestick. That is a spinning top. So what else do we do? In order for us to verify our entry, we go into the lower time frame, 1 hour, and see what is happening there. All right. So the 1 hour time frame, that place where we have indecision candle, this further explains it. Okay, so what kind of candlestick do we have here? Bullish, bullish, bullish candle. All right. So based on what we are seeing right here on a higher time, on a 1 hour time frame, this market is likely going to continue going up because it didn't close bearish from the support zone. It closed bullish in two places. So we're not in two places. So this, okay, this still is spinning top, then it closed bullish. All right. So overall, is an indecision candle. So we don't know what's going to happen yet. So what do? We keep our minds open. And what do I mean by keep our minds open? We keep our minds open that market is likely going to go in two ways. But let's go to 30 minutes time frame. All right. So market is going to go in two ways. And what is that? We wait for market to open and to give us something like this. So listen attentively at what we are going to be looking out for. When we have markets to break out, what gives us a confirmation for a breakout? Listen attentively. A breakout below support is when you have a bearish candle, like the market close in a bearish candle, like it break out and close in a bearish candle. So that's when you get to know that, okay, this support zone is now invalid. Okay, it breaks out from that level with and closes in bearish. Okay, so same thing applies for resistance. When you have a breakout of a resistance, and that breakout closes in a bullish candle, it validates that that trend, that resistance has broken. Okay, so based on the fact that we have a summary of an indecision candlestick right there, so indecision candlestick right there, so it means that you know what indecision candlestick actually means. You don't know whether I go buy, you don't know whether I go sell. It dey middle, it dey two-sided. You understand? All right. So, like I said, you keep our mind open. So market is likely going to break out, and when it does, the next place is going to come is here. Whether that's if it breaks out below. And I love this setup, trust me. It's a good setup to make money from. Or you can break out above, enter into this zone, we test, then we ride to this trend line. All right. So let's put two possible places where we're going to be entering. All right. So we bring out our long position and short position. So if you're in the funded traders group, wait for my signal. But if you're a trader already that have trained, fine and good. You can take your trades once you see a signal. You don't have to wait for me to drop signal. But if you're still learning, you will probably wait. Okay. All right. So what we're risking is about 30 pips, 30 pips on this trade for buy. Then our target profit will be around our first take profit will be here. Second take profit will be here. Third take profit will be here. So let's take note of that. Fourth take profit will be here as well. All right. So we are looking at these possibilities to actually happen, and trust me, if oh, market has opened, market has opened. Look at that break. Look at that break. Look at, can we see that a massive break occurred right now? A massive break. Okay, let's see where the candle is going to close. If this candle close bearish, guys, listen attentively. If this candle close bearish, so we have a high tendency that market is going to sell. So let's put our short position. So if this candle that opened right now close bearish, I'll still monitor this market too, because this market looks like a market that will move overnight. So our target profit will be this next, okay, coming. Okay. We are seeing that. And if you open your eyes clearly, you see that we have an M pattern that formed here. One left touch and right touch right here, and M. So okay, this candle has closed, this red candle has closed bearish. All right. So guys, so we should have a sell. Okay. But one more entry for us to take this trade. So it's a good one that I even live at 10:31. So it's most likely going to trade. Now listen attentively. One thing that could affect this market to change direction now, which I will always tell you guys, is market makers. All right, market makers can decide to pick liquidity and change the direction of the market. It doesn't mean your analysis is wrong. I remember what I always say. If what we do as trader is speculate. For the fact to say this market is going to sell or this market is going to buy, all right. If it doesn't go our direction, that's why we have a stop loss. So we know we lost that trade. Okay, but we still look into the trade to see more opportunities to enter. But what makes you a good trader is that you make more profit than your losses, so that your profit can cover up for your what? For your losses. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour time frame and see where market what's happened in the 1 hour candlestick. All right, so this is a 1 hour candle. So in the next 28 minutes, this candle should close. So if this candle close bearish on the 1 hour, trust me, you are looking out for sell. That's what it's going to be. We're looking out for sell, and this is a sweet breakout, trust me, because this is a free zone, free man zone. The market is likely going to happen. So you could actually hold this trade from now to this week. So we are looking at to the end of this week. We're looking at target profit of 118 pips point 4. Okay, so let's take out our first profit. So these are take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. All right, so that's what we have right here. Okay, so sorry about the lines as explained. I'm just showing you where we're looking at for target profits. So after this class, I'll remove the lines so I can see clearly. Okay, so that is a wonderful setup that we have on CAD So keep our minds closed. So don't forget something. The overall trend of this market is an uptrend, isn't it? It's an uptrend. Don't keep your minds open. That is it. It's an uptrend. So that is why our final profit is in the region of this trend line. So most likely, if the market gets here, it's likely going to react for a buy. But we're temporary selling because from the 4 hours down to the 15 minutes time frame, they are giving us a sell opportunity, and that's an opportunity to catch crazy pips. So another thing we get to look out for now, but what I always tell you guys, now that we've analyzed this market, what else do we look out for? We go straight to the fundamental. Okay, I'm opening up. Okay, I'm sharing that now. The calendar. So let's go on the my Facebook calendar. All right. So let's see what. Let's see if there's a news for CADJPY. All right. So Monday, what do we have for Monday, guys? Pay our utmost attention. I've shown you guys one of the ways to read news. Okay. So we get to look at the time for the news, and the one of interest to us is on this impact. So the one that we have medium and low is none of our business. Okay, like the one that we have business with is a high impact news. Put it at the front of your mind, high impact. So what do? We are scrolling down to look for where we have high impact. All right, so we have an high impact right here. USD. When? 1:30 this afternoon. All right, so the news on retail sales, YOY, is going to be dropped this afternoon. Yes, at 1:30. Sorry, not this afternoon, Monday afternoon. All right, so but we're trading CADJPY. So we have not USD has nothing to do with CADJPY on that case. So if we have a signal on USDJPY, you need to watch out for the news at 1:30. Okay, watch out for that. Okay, so let's go down to see if we even have CD. Okay, all right. So there is no Japanese, there is no Canadian dollar news that is dropping. So meaning that um, technical analysis is likely going to happen tomorrow with full chest. Okay, so no fundamental affecting it right now. So pure technical analysis is going to affect CADJPY. So for the CAD news that we have dropping at 1:30 is just wholesales and manufacturing sales. Okay, so but it's under low with 0.1%, 0.2%. Okay, it can't move the market. It's too low to move the market. So we don't have issues. Pure price action should work with CADJPY. Note, if it doesn't go our direction, I'm not the owner of Forex market. You know that. I'm a trader like you. Okay, but that's why we put our stop loss. Just in case it doesn't go our direction, we lose small. If it starts to go our direction, we will gain big. If you're not yet in the funded traders group, ensure you make yourself available there because this week is a good week. Trust me, good week because we are going deeper, very, very deep in the analysis. And if you are here to join our trading community, free trading community is on it. Telegram, search FS Media, I think trading community, you see the general group, you can join there. And our WhatsApp channel, you can search for the same community, you can join in there as well. Okay, so that's an opportunity to learn. Remember, you're under FS Media umbrella. Then and again, if you are new to trading, there's a class for you that's supposed to commence tomorrow or next tomorrow. I don't know if B Black is here, a lady. B Black is here. Ayola, are you guys here? I told you guys to be in this class. B Black Creatives. Ayola, are you here? You can indicate in the chat section if you're both here. All right, I believe we actually got the news aspect. So what other pair are we going to look into? Emmanuel Agbo said, "Sir, please, what pair is that?" We're looking at CADJPY. Okay, CADJPY is what we are looking at. You can see it above. Junior Mbappe posted it. USD, sorry, CADJPY. So the other pair that we're going to be looking at for, let's make a review of the pairs that made us money last week. Let's go. To say there should be entry on those trades so we can continue riding those trades. Always remember that you have to use FXCM or Owanda chart. Okay, whichever one they have the correct they have the correct market. Okay, so let's go to the one. Obviously, is in an uptrend, so we look for opportunities to buy. So let's remap our trends, our trend line for day one. So one thing I used to like GBP JPY is that their pairs are usually looking alike, so you can easily make money. You can easily make money. I love JPY pairs, but they can be tricky a bit. They can be tricky. All right, so we zoom. Let's go down to 4 hours time frame. This setup is almost looking like CAD JPY. It's almost, you can see this double top here on the trend line, double top here as well. So on the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame trend line. This is it. It broke out of the 4 hours time frame trend line. Okay. And what candlestick close do we have right there? So we have indecision as well. We have this bearish engulfing. This candle have not yet closed, the red one. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Before we do that, I can see a level that we can put right there. This is the level. All right. It broke out of this trend line, but hasn't broke out on this support zone. All right, but it closed with an indecision candle. I know what indecision candle means. You don't know whether I go buy, you don't know whether I go sell. Okay, so we go to 1 hour time frame. All right. So once we have a breakout from this level, I believe that market should drop, and it's going to be a good fall. A good fall. So where are we expecting market to drop to? At what level? Most likely here. Okay. So we go down to 30 minutes. Let's go back to, okay, 30 minutes has popped up. All right. So if we have candle close bullish, so most likely we'll have a buy. But you guys are already aware that I don't take trade on Sunday until the market settle. You know I do that a lot. It's very important to preserve your capital than to lose it. All right. So this is having, okay. So my entry will be from when we have a close above here, and the about 43 pips that is likely going to be reached. So the highest point that I believe I'm targeting my profit will be here because it's an interesting level. What's going on here? It's an interesting level. So, like I said, if I have a close, if I have a candle that close bullish, right? So this all the confirmation, we buy. All right. So, but if you have, okay, let me use a pen so you can understand what we are doing. So, if candle close, my entry is from this area. If you close for a bullish, expect the market to go up. All right. But if you close bearish, okay, close bearish, expect market to retest and drop lower. Okay, easy peasy. Forex is not very hard. If you get mind, how can you get mind? So Maker said his emotion is rude. Learn rightly. Learn rightly. That's the way. There's something wrong with your foundation. All right. So these two trades are actually good. So GPP JPY, we bought GPP JPY last week. From here, it bought up to this place. Okay, but couldn't get up to this level. But we bought up to this place. We were able to take out some good profit. So that is that on GBP JPY. Let's look out for USD, USD CHF. Sweet. This is the sweet guy that gave us money. USD CHF, sorry. That gave us money. Cool dope. Cool dope. This is the analysis I was analyzing with my guy, the Pastor Chris's lead guitarist. Is my very good friend and my brother as well. Okay, so we analyzed this market, and our confluences was buy. Okay, took that trade and it was remarkable, very cool. And look at where the market got to. Now, if you are wondering what this space is for, this space where my mouse is what happens in the market at times when you're having a gap, and you can trade gap trading. I've taught you guys this before, but in case you are new, next time remind me. I'll teach you how to trade gap trading. Okay. So now this is the market that made us to make some good dough. Buy. You can see how it got to this level. All right, an interesting level. So now, can we still trade this market? That's the big question. Let's check the higher time frame. What is the trend of the higher time frame? A downtrend, but it has been broken. One of the first entry that we had right here gave me a confirmation. It took us out from our SL. It took us out. The first one that we got here in this place when the market was still dropping down. This is a 4 hours trend line. We caught it. It smashed TP. Then this other one, it hit our SL. So from this hitting our SL, we confirm that market is now going to be going up. That is why we look out for opportunities to start buying right here. All right. So this USD CHF can change direction into an uptrend. All right. And if you look closely on this USD CHF, we're having a breakout, a bullish breakout on the daily time frame. I remember what I taught you guys that when you have a breakout like that, or have a very fantastic candle in a higher time frame, it reacts very well. But since we have a breakout and a retest with a bullish engulfing, trust me, this market is still going up. So I'm not looking out to sell. I'm looking for opportunities to still what buy. I'm not looking out to sell. But since there's a news dropping, after the news, we'll see the direction of the market. But when the market drops, it will still correct back. Anyway, I've taught you guys how to trade market correction. I've taught you guys how to trade that. So when your market rallies down quickly, there'll be a corresponding rally up. And when market rallies up quickly, there'll be a corresponding rally down. How do you know how to trade these things? I have taught you guys this. It's all this information I'm communicating. If you don't know, you have to be in the academy to know. All right. So I'm looking for opportunities to buy, only looking at the daily time frame. Okay, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So, but let's go down to the lower time frame and see what else we can actually plot right there. So, I want somebody to give us type out what the market that we reviewed. I don't know if Peter is still here, or Ali. Chudibem, is it Chudibem Ali? Okay, anyone out of you should just drop the list of the markets that we've analyzed from the GPP JPY to USD CHF CAD JPY. Just drop it list on the chart. Just drop it on the chat section. All right. So on our 1 hour time frame, we have this. Now there is a gap in this place. What do? We go to lower time frame. But the fact you are coming from up to go down does not mean you cannot go up, go down, go up, go down to find an entry. Okay, that is just it. Doesn't mean. So There is a level here that made market to be reacting. It is sorry. All right. So this is a level right here that make market to be reacting. Now, what can we do now as forex traders? We are plotting a trend line, and I believe this trend line here covers the 1 hour time frame as well. And look at this is where market open. All right. So obviously this place, let's go to 15 minutes time frame because this is what we basically do in trading. We go up, go back, go up, go down to get our entries. All right. So we have a support zone right here. The market came to tap into. Okay, good place market came to tap into. So like I said, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. One market settle, looking for opportunities to buy, even breakout. Expect market to break out because let's go back to day one. You see that day one, I showed you guys something. Yeah, market broke out of this resistance and he had a retest of two candlestick, and these two candlestick above, these two red and green, this is a bullish engulfing candle right there. And I said a candlestick that forms in a higher time frame is very effective. It affects every other time frame. Or I forget the noise that's going on. So because of these confirmations I'm having here, the market is still going to break out up if news does not come in on market manipulation. All right, so it's very strong. The because of this bullish engulfing candle. So what we do in the lower time frame is we look for opportunities to catch a sniper entry, and that's what we are actually looking out for, to catch a sweet sniper entry. Okay, all right. Like I always say, I ain't entering the market right now. I like to settle. There is always a retest in the market, so don't always FOMO. It's very dangerous to FOMO. Fear of missing out. Don't FOMO. Always wait for opportunities to enter. Once you have a structure basis in forex. Now, if you've not gotten an account for yourself, a 10 trade account, don't forget to use the first media promo code. Get registered, and also you can be part of the free signal. Actually, people pay for subscription of signals, but we don't give out. We don't do that. How many benefits are you guys going enjoying in this FS media? So much benefits that people actually pay for. You're getting a lot of free benefits, free a lot of free things. Trust me, a lot. That should now remind you that FS Media is truly trading and making money from forex. Yeah, from forex. That should truly remind you because if it's that, you know, there's some fake mentors out there that they live in people's um what they call it, academy fee or something. That's what they get to use, live their lives, and that's shit. That's crazy. I've traded forex. I've used forex to buy 3 cars. I've used forex to do a lot of things, crazy stuff. Bought land, all right, and do some certain things, buy some amazing gadgets. Man, I'm a lover of gadgets. If you buy gadgets, no dey use am, I don dump am. Like this tab now, probably before the end of the year, I may give a student this tab. I no use am do anything. I just bought it because I saw it and I like it. I no dey use am do anything. Okay, so strictly from trading profits. And before I got into 10 trade, I already have like up to five prop accounts in my name. Prop accounts. I'm not going to be mentioning them, so I don't give them free promotion because I'm a celeb, you know. I'm a celeb and an ambassador, so no, I don't give them free promotion. All right. So the most trusted and tested prop firm and broker is 10 trade. Don't forget that 10 trade is also a broker. And one the thing that gives you a rest of mind is that for a broker to own a prop firm like 10 trade, your funds are very safe. Unlike all those ones that just come out with prop firm, trust me, that's a big lie. It's just a matter of time they'll fold. All right. So only a broker is super rich. Let's not talk of funded accounts. They get the money. Think about it. They get the money. If it's about if it's about how much you're buying the account or so that they're receiving money from. No, it's not about that. Come to think about it, they brought out a $1,000 instant funding account because they want to create a space, just like my part of my vision. Create a space where no matter the category that you are in trading, there is an account for you to scale up and grow. There is an account for you. Okay, if it's a profit making, they'll just tag their accounts to stop at $300 or $100. Stop there. So get money, no get money, get out. That's your problem. But they brought it down to 1K instant funding account so that nobody has any excuse to say, na profit, na a capital they do me or so. No, there's an account for everybody. And please take full responsibility of take full charge responsibility of the benefit you have, because trust me, those prices will not remain forever. Remember I said this, it will not remain forever. It's likely going to it's likely going to what um, increase. Don't forget, remember when dollar rose 29K, where they use buy $29 account, waiting stop, they won't spend it like 40 something K to acquire that account. And if you're thinking dollar drop at 1,000 plus, that's just going to be, let me shock you. Wherever you're connected from, let me shock you. Dollar is going to go to 2,000 naira. Do you hear me? I'm saying this with my full chest. If care is not taken, dollar is going to go back. It's going to go to 2K. If I you now that dollar is down, use the opportunity to invest in whatever I want to invest. Learn forex for yourself. Start making money. All right, because that is going to shoot up. It's going to shoot up. Don't say I did not tell you. If you want to get an account, use this opportunity now to get an account. Now that it's down. All right, now that it's down. So I'm saying one suggestion from you guys. You JPY. All right. So let's go and look at UOJPY. And that's the last one. Hey, Jesus, see time. I don't go. UOJPY. I'm stressed. How many classes today? Crazy. UOJPY is almost having the same setup now. Having the same setup. Having the same. I told you that all the JPY pairs they have similar things. Similar. If you shine your eyes very well. Same market will chop that time. Chop this one. Sweet buy. Chop am. Smash. This kind of market dey sweet me. When you no stress person, e just work. E dey sweet die. No be all this one wey go dey play with your you go dey dance. You go dey dance like earthworm before you come go your debut. You go greet your say, hello bro, how you doing? Hope say you hold your body together. Go greet yourself. Look at this one. You no even greet yourself. From there, from that entry point, it doesn't go up straight. I like market when you dey stress. I pray for market that will not stress us this week. In Jesus' name, amen. No market to stress us this week. Any place where we enter, market will go our direction. You will not come and greet our SF. In Jesus' name, amen. So shall it be. All right. So as I was saying, JPY pairs are related. These are not trend as said. You can use the idea of the analysis I made on the past JPY, JPY, then CAD JPY. You can use it to analyze this. So I leave that assignment to you guys. Improve yourself with that. So because me analyzing this right now is like a repetition. Okay, like a repetition. Let's check 1 week ago to see the highest point UJPY have gotten to. All right, so this is a 1 week chart. There's an interesting resistance level. Okay, that explains why this thing reverse. Now, remember one principle I told you about that whenever you have a higher time frame aligned in an area of value like this, it always reacts crazily. So now we are having this place we are having this place in an area of value where the market is currently an area of value. So what's going to happen is likely going to drop sell very well. So you look for opportunities on this JPY, UOJPY to sell because currently on this serious level. Okay, that's why we're giving signals for sell on the CAD JPY, JPY right there. Right, I'm sure those ones to have this resistance right here, major resistance. Look at the past major resistance now. Look at the resistance. Look at what market did. It dropped. Remember, this is week one. So meaning that, say this drop, this long drop, it means that for 1 week, not even 1 week, for weeks. Let's count self. So you know this drop, how long it's been selling. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For 13 weeks, UOJP have been falling. Can you imagine? So just imagine you just put self from this place, from this zone, you cross your leg, you dance, they say you just they said it go. Just like what's going to happen right here. Once there's a confirmation. Here, this is what I'm talking about. This place. If an M form right here, we're good. Or breaks out of this trend line, we're good. You sell like crazy. Aside if news does not come to change the direction of the market, then it's likely going to sell like crazy because we're having rejections on that level. So, but we watch out for the market this tomorrow, Monday morning. I believe I've communicated value to everybody, right? Hope we understand this. Candy says, "Sir, I would like to talk to you one on one, please." Okay, no wahala. Just text me tomorrow, tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, yeah, just leave me a message. So when I come online, I will reply. All right. So man, me need the tab. Oh. Now is the shoot for my tab. Mona, calm down. Chill. There's still a competition coming up. That competition I've always promised you guys. I believe it's going to happen this year. The I believe it's going to happen this year. So we're going to go with a couple of maybe accounts of money or gifts, iPhone or tablet or laptop or something. So we're going to give it out to the best student of the year 2024. All right. And probably we might do the combine like from 2023, 24, 24. So it's still going to come up. So wish FS Media good luck that there's still more funds coming into FS Media so we can organize the competition for people and make a lot of persons smile at December period. And also, we've already started giving out crazy gifts now. We're giving out proper accounts. How many guys? How many accounts have I given out in the past 2 months for 3K accounts? How many accounts have I given? Quickly, this is the chat section. How many accounts have I given in the past 2 months from March and April? Abi? Yes, March and this April. Abi February. It's March and April. You guys can't remember. I think at the first one I gave 7. This other one I gave 7. That's 14, and I've given some. I've given 3. So that's 17. Let's just call it 20. I've given 23K accounts. 20 up to 20. And that's super amazing. First I don't try for that. If you see broke, now your problem. You don't try for that. If you see broke, now your problem. All right, guys. I think that will be all for tonight's class. It's already 11 o'clock. So people that are going to work tomorrow can actually go sleep and go to work. All right. And then which other things? Well, like I always say, if you're working, don't quit your job for forex. Before you quit your job for forex, is one thing that you need to do is ensure that forex is already paying you about times 3 of your current salary before you quit forex consistently for like 3 months, 3 4 months. You know what I say? E.g., this is April, where and your salary is like 60K a month or 50K. So forex trading must have paid you like times 3 in 3 4 months consecutively. All right, before you can quit your job for forex. You understand? Please don't quit your job for forex. I made that mistake at the beginning and I suffered. Thank God I didn't give up. Okay, so that's what happened to me that time. Which is well. Thank God. Look at where we are today. All right. So which other information do you guys also need to? So if you're already a full blown trader like Peter and said, Peter na full blown trader, you know get what we do again. Now trader in. So you can trade as well, no problem. Okay, but one of your targets, one of your things you should be looking out for is to be able to focus on forex full time. Like I always say, you see forex as your oil well to fund every other business. So whatever ideas, whatever things I'm sharing with you guys, please key into those opportunities. Now, the recent opportunity that you have right now, if you've not learned synthetic indices the right way, I'm telling you to book your slot right now. Only 20 slots available. I posted the flyer already, so book your slots. Some slots are already taken. All right, book your slots so that I can learn synthetic the right way. It's like you having a professional course in forex trading, learning synthetic. Because won't you like to be trading weekend with me? Weekend, won't you like it? You're trading weekend with me. When forex market is resting, you can still be making money during the weekend, and it's easier to make money in the weekend. Sir. Yeah, trust me. But you need to have the right knowledge to trade that kind of market weekends, okay? And if please, if you started out forex trading with synthetic, please go and learn forex well. Start from forex major first. Forex major what first before you can understand synthetic indices market. So book your slot right there. If you're totally a newbie, please stay away from synthetic indices. Except you're already in an active class where first media is teaching you. So if I'm teaching you already, so before the synthetic class commence, you would have catch up to the level I want you to be. So you can still book your slot for your synthetic indices. But if you have not enrolled in any class, I'm not sure you may meet up because you're already at 15th and the 14th. Today is what 14th. All right, I think that will be all for now. Any other information should be communicated. And please, one more thing for your own good, be engaging, be engaging in on our social media pages. So social media engaging so that the last giveaway that we did was based on people who engage on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Anyone you can engage. I need to see more comments on Instagram, you know, your personal repost, If you love a first media, I don't even need to teach you what to do. I've already mapped out a lot of people who use me as their DP. Don't worry about it. So the people that Oseni, I don't know if Oseni is here. That guy is a wonderful guy. He does promote a first media out of like on default settings. Default settings I mean is like when you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth normal or you greet your elderly one. So on default, you just promote FS Media. And that's so cool. If you love FS Media, I know FS Media have done so much for you. Probably you're not making money yet or you're making money, whichever category that you are. You don't have issues in promoting FS Media, all right? So, and FS Media is open to giving a lot to people. Boss, we need your permission to start group study at the academy. But today, you don't carry this question come here. I've not replied you on WhatsApp. So relax. I saw your message. I'm still thinking about it. All right. So thank you so much, guys. Please focus on the charts, trade well, manage your emotions very well, manage your psychology very well, have a sound knowledge in trading. Kenny, where should you message me? You message me on WhatsApp now. If you know my WhatsApp, or you message me on IG. On IG. So WhatsApp, message me on IG. But sure, that WhatsApp is crowded by now. Message me on IG. David Dunwoye. David Dunwoye 28. You see me there. Or you search FS Media 28. So I've sent it to the chat. David Dunwoye, just chat me right there. So anybody that wants to reach me faster, maybe I've not yet attend to your message on WhatsApp. This is excessive chat. You can just send me a message on Instagram if it's very urgent. Though. I know me should not go and be crowding my Instagram. Okay. So yeah, please, you guys should start making money for yourself. Focus on the things that will take you to the next level. Don't take whatever investment that is given to you for granted. Okay. All right. I want you guys to succeed. I want more testimonies. Like I said, I'm going to post a lot of testimony this week. I'm going to be posting more testimonies are still going to come in. Crazy one. Very crazy one. Every day is testimony in FS Media. And that's how it will be. I'm still proud of peace. Peace that couldn't afford 10,000 naira. A lady that couldn't afford 10,000 naira before. She showed me a 5K profit that she made. When she made her first 1 million naira, I posted it. Twitter is one of the weakness. I think testimony too is one of the weakness. Quitek too, one of the weakness. She made a 1 million naira in a day, on a Friday. And she sent me about 30K and 10K for card. So that's what she sent to me. Um, then she now told me that she grew $5,000 to $20,000. Kyla, can you imagine? A girl that could not afford 10,000. It's a while for who knows I've for her so and learn it the right way from the right mentor like FS Media. Alright guys, thank you so much for being part of tonight's live. We see you in the next one and see you on the group, for Net Traders group or the academy or whatever way, or see you on my WhatsApp status. Okay? I keep entertaining you guys, giving you guys value. Stay glued to my WhatsApp status and benefit learn. Because you understand that a lot of people get value and they give testimony as regards my status. Someone said, let him say my status gives him hope and belief, motivates him. Or one other millionaire actually said the same thing, that he say my status gives him more hope to earn more millions. All right. Okay, so that is the way it is, and that's why I post my make you laugh and make you comfortable and make you push yourself and make you focus, consistent, and disciplined. All right, so that's one of the things my status is built on. And also God's word, which I usually drop on Monday. The first post I make on Monday, I never forget that. Until tomorrow, I'm going to do that. I'm going to drop my weekly Bible scriptures, first post for Monday. All right, guys, thank you so much for being part of the live. God bless you. Have a lovely night rest. Bye. Okay, wait. Can this say where should you message? Message me on Instagram now or WhatsApp. Instagram or WhatsApp. Candy.